Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan broth. Crafting a delicious vegan broth is simpler than you might think, and it forms the foundation for countless dishes. We'll begin by exploring the essential building blocks, a medley of aromatic vegetables. These foundational ingredients, combined with fresh herbs, will infuse your broth with a rich, savory depth that is both comforting and versatile. Once your vegetables are prepped, it is time to combine them with water. A good rule of thumb is to use a 2-to-1 ratio of water to vegetables for a concentrated flavor. Bring everything to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, and let it cook for at least 45 minutes or even up to 2 hours. This slow, steady heat allows all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. To elevate your broth, consider adding some secret weapons for extra depth. Ingredients like dried shiitake mushrooms or a small piece of kombu can introduce a fantastic umami richness. A spoonful of tomato paste, sautéed briefly, will add a lovely color and a subtle sweetness. For a cheesy, savory kick, a few tablespoons of nutritional yeast works wonders, making your broth truly exceptional. After simmering, it is time to strain your beautiful broth. Use a fine mesh sieve to separate the liquid from the solids, ensuring a clear and smooth result. Allow the broth to cool completely before storing it. You can refrigerate it in airtight containers for up to 5 days, or freeze it in convenient 1-cup portions for up to 3 months, ready for your next culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.